any chord. Here's a C chord. And you want to break it up, put one note in the left hand and the other notes in the right hand. And basically you're going to alternate hands back and forth really fast. Okay, that's all there is to it. Just try to keep it even. So you might practice it slowly at first, disciplining your hands to play it evenly. For example, here, let's go to the key of A. And here's your A chord, A7. I'm going to put the third in the left hand, 5, 7, 3 in the right hand. So I'm doubling the outside notes. This is something that Otis Spann used to do a lot. Okay, and did you notice I did a little roll? I've covered the roll in another lesson on New Orleans piano. I'll put the link to it in the video description. Basically, this final note is the note that's important. The roll is kind of a special effect. It's like a sound effect. It doesn't really matter about being accurate with it. You just want to kind of blur a bunch of notes to get to that. So I like to start with the left hand. And like I said, that's for A7. And you can add the pedal. You can hold the pedal down. Give it a kind of more of a volume swell, make everything kind of blur together, because on piano that's the closest we can get to sustaining a note without having it decays. We replay them over and over and over. So I'll give you an example how I use it in the key of A. Here's how I use it in an A blues. I'd probably go from this chord, this would be for the 1, the A. There's the A7. For the 4 chord, in the second bar, if I do a fast 4, I'm going to take everything down a half step. And that gives me a D7 flat 9. Then you're going to see me move throughout this those chords. And again, the top note is doubled. There's another A7. There's a D7. 3, 5, 7, 3. Take it up to another inversion. Back to A. To the E chord. Then we're going to throw in some shredding. All that stuff is covered in the previous shredder lessons. All right, here we go from the turnaround.